Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a forest, there lived a beaver family. There was a mother, a father, a grandpa, and their three young children. The beaver family was hardworking and diligent. Every day they would spend hours building and repairing their dam, ensuring their home remained safe and secure. They were experts at what they did. One day, while the adult beavers were busy working on the dam, the three young beaver kits were left to their own devices. The kits were bored and wanted to have some fun. Building a dam is such hard work, one of the kits said. Can't we just play instead? Just then, Grandpa Beaver overheard the conversation. Playing is important, my dear grandkids, but building our dam is crucial for our survival. Without it, we won't be able to live comfortably in our home. The kids looked at each other. They knew their grandfather was right, but they still wanted to play. Just then, Bobby the Beaver had an idea. How about we help out for a bit? We can carry sticks to the others to help them build faster. The adults beavers smiled and agreed. It was a great idea. So the kids set off to look for sticks to bring back to the others. After a while, Bobby came across a small stick lying on the ground. He pushed it with his nose and was surprised at how heavy it was. Whoa, he said. This is harder than it looks. He dragged the stick a few steps before dropping it and flopping down on the ground, completely exhausted. Too heavy, too far, too hard, he muttered. And with that, he gave up and went back to playing. The other kits followed suit, each giving up after only a few attempts. At first, the adult beavers didn't mind. Building the dam was a long process, and they had plenty of time to teach the kids the importance of hard work. However, as the day wore on, the kids continued to play while the adults worked tirelessly. Soon, the sky darkened and the first raindrops began to fall. The kids, who were soaked and shivering, ran to the shelter of the partially completed dam. But without a complete dam, the water just flooded their home. No, my work isn't done yet, shouted the father beaver over the sound of the rushing water. The mother beaver wrapped her children close, keeping them tight as they huddled together for warmth. Meanwhile, Grandpa Beaver continued working, determined to finish his section of the dam as quickly as possible. And as if an answer to his hard work, the rain began to slow and eventually stopped. As the clouds parted, the sun shone through, revealing a beautiful rainbow arcing over the forest. Bobby the Beaver sighed. Seeing his family safe and dry behind the dam made him realize the importance of hard work. He noticed Grandpa Beaver, who was now finishing the last touches on his section of the dam. The old beaver had worked so hard, and his section was the strongest of them all. Bobby watched in admiration as the other beavers thanked Grandpa Beaver for his hard work. They understood that without his efforts, they wouldn't be safe from the flood. Taking a deep breath, Bobby knew what he had to do. He picked up a tiny twig and started to drag it towards the other beavers. It wasn't much, but it was a start. Slowly but surely, he gathered more twigs and built a small pile. He didn't work as fast as the grown-ups, but he didn't give up. He was tired and sweaty, but he kept going, knowing that what he was doing was important. After a while, Bobby stood back to admire his work. His section of the dam wasn't as big or as strong as Grandpa Beaver's, but it was strong enough. I built that, he said proudly. The other kits and the adult beavers cheered him on. His hard work paid off. From that day forward, Bobby the Beaver never complained about hard work again. He learned that while playing was fun, hard work was important and could also feel good. And so the Beaver family worked together, playing when they could and working hard to make their home the best it could be. And that's the story of how Bobby the Beaver learned that hard work paid off. The end.